Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fun, colorful tutorial with the Makeup Geek Power Pigments. But first I am filling in my brows. For any dramatic look, you have to make sure that you have a more dramatic brow as well. I'm using Anastasia Dip Brow in Soft Brown. Also from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm using the contour kit to prime my eyelids. Now I'm picking up my new Power Pigments from Makeup Geek and also my Makeup Geek brushes. And I'm starting off by dipping into the yellow shade and using that as a transition. Now I'm going into this hot pink shade and just following that in my crease. Now I'm taking this magenta, light purple, whatever you want to call it, color, and packing on my lid. I'm deepening that up on the inner and outer corner with this wine purple color. And then to deepen it up even more, I'm dipping into the darkest purple shade, which is more like a royal purple, and again on the inner and outer corner and connecting it. Now I'm going to use the exact same colors on my lower lash line. First, I'm taking that pink shade, and then I'm picking up the darker purple shade on a pencil brush. And now I'm dipping back into the yellow to highlight my inner corner. Now I'm switching to a really small concealer brush and back to my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit and carving out where I'm going to place the glitter. The glitter I'm using today is from MBA Cosmetics. And now I'm taking a small flat eyeshadow brush and kind of just packing the glitter on top of where I placed that concealer. I was actually pleasantly surprised with how well it stuck to the concealer. I thought I was going to have to use like a glitter glue or something, but I couldn't find my Violet Boss glitter glue at the moment, so I was super happy that it stuck. Now I'm just lining my top and bottom lash line with eyeliner and mascara, and then popping on some lashes from Color Rain Cosmetics. And now finishing off my face, I'm using the powder contour kit and the Makeup Geek highlight. This is like my favorite highlight. It literally makes your skin look wet. I highlighted my nose, my cheekbones, and also the inner corners of my eye. I probably should have left them matte, that matte yellow, but I wanted it to be like a shiny yellow, but I'm thinking I actually liked the matte first, so I would leave it matte if I did it again. And that completes this look for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye.